welcome to TBK Career Point. So here is the opportunity from the Apple company. So for this job role, any graduate can apply for it. So technical specialist any role ఇచ్చారు. Sorry, please go through the description of the company. Key qualifications: ability to assess customer support needs when they arrive, ability to thrive on change as productive evolve, demonstrate Apple's values of inclusion and diversity in daily activities. So description ఇచ్చారు ఒకసారి please go through it. Apple benefit programs vary by country are subject to eligibility requirements. Additional requirements, excellent time management skills, తర్వాత maintain troubleshooting knowledge, fluent in local language. So interested students can apply for it and share to your friends also, and you can submit the resume. The link is provided in the description box.